is a very exciting video. You know what's this? It's a makeup bag. You know whose makeup bag is this? YUVIANCA DOERK's, my mama. I decided to take her makeup bag today and try and do my makeup with her makeup. I'm not going to use any of my brushes. I'm not going to use any of my makeup. I hope this is going to go well. I feel like it's not going to go well because this woman, she does not have a lot of makeup. Let's hop into the video and let's see what we can do with this face and this bag. Let's see what's in here. She has this little orange bag. Okay, there's mascara in here. And what's this? Oh, concealer. She has concealer. Sy het concealer. Ek kan nie met sy bruid concealer nie. Okay. She has the Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. There's not much in here, but at least she has it. She has a Rio eyeshadow called Passion. Wait, I'm not kidding. She has this, guys. She has this palette, Seduction Couleur. She had this. Guys, I was so young when she purchased this. So this brings back a lot of memories, but at least there's some shades in here. She has a brush. She has this brush. What's this? A Scott London. I purchased this for her when I was little and she still has it. I'm so proud of her. She's got this shadows. I don't know. She has this. It's got browns and stuff in here. Not seeing any eyeshadow brushes, so I don't know I'm going to do this. She has this from Yardley, and this stuff looks old AF and it's broken. She has more eyeshadow. She has another one of these palettes, but this is like color and the other one is like more browns and stuff. She has another one of those brown ones. Also, this one, I don't even know what is this. I don't know what it is. Okay, she has this. This is nice. This is also Estee Lauder. Okay, that's the eyeshadows, and the brush she has is this. And then in that silver box that I got her, she has this eyeshadow brush. Now I have used this eyeshadow brush before. She has Essence Instant Matte 30 Matte Vanilla. I use 50. She has this little, I'm guessing this is lipsticks. It's lipstick. So she has this, a red one. Here's a light pink one. Now my mother usually wear like bright orange and bright red. Oh, this is a nice one. I think I'll use this one today. Woo! Let me just swatch it for you guys. So it's here. It's this one. Looks like that. And then she has a brown one. This is the brown one, and it looks like that.
Choppy.
That's nice, but it's super sticky. And then she has this little brush. Oh, so good. This girl, she has a lot of eyeshadows, but she does not have anything to apply it with. That's basically that. Just eyeshadows, and then this pencil. Looks like a lip pencil. I don't know. This one, what's this? Product of Germany. Okay, that's, oh no, she has another stuff. Oh. Palette Pink Isabella Garcia Molten Brush. Now this is lipstick. This is such a nice color. This is how it looks. Oh no, it's lip gloss. Oh, that's how it looks. It's nice. I don't wear lip gloss. I'm not a lip gloss girl. There's this nice brown one as well. This is Coral Glaze. Oh, this is a nice shade. It's that shade. Let's get started. So I'm just going first, obviously doing the foundation. This is the Scott London. Ek lyk asof ek 'n vieslike self-tan opgedoen het. Okay, so now I'm just using her little sponge. And I'm just going to blend this in, and it actually already dried on my face. does not look that bad on camera, except for the fact that I am now orange. So next is concealer. I don't know why I'm using this sponge as a freaking beauty blender, because you have to swipe the foundation around. I did not say this was going to be a successful tutorial, so if you are new to my channel and this is the first video you are watching, just check out my other videos. I can do makeup. Honestly don't know what I'm going to do with my eyebrows. I usually use the LA Girl brow pencil and mine is finished. So in my previous video, my Tea Time Tuesday video, go and check that out as well. I actually did my eyebrows with some eyeshadow and a angled eyebrow brush, and it looked nice. It looked the same way as it would do with my brow pencil. But my mom does not have a brow brush. I'm going to do it the old way that I did it before I actually could do makeup. At least she has a spoolie. I'm just going to take some of the eyeshadow, obviously the eyeshadow that would best fit my brows, and I am just going to color in my brows. But I'm just looking for, you know, that brushes you get with the little sponges on it. I'm looking for that because I actually did my eyebrows like that when I was like in grade 11. I got one here. I'm just using this spongy brush. So I think I'm going to take this palette and I'm just going to get a brown shade. Okay, so I'm just going to take some concealer. I'm just going to clean that up, but she does not have a concealer brush. So I'm just going to take this brush. Ugh. Oopsie. Brows are not twins, they are sisters, so they are not meant to look exactly the same, I feel like, in this video. So I'm just taking this Stay Matte Long Lasting pressed powder. I'm not going to conceal my face, contour my... this thing is making me sore. Okay, so now it's time for eyeshadow, and I don't know how I'm going to do this, but you know what, I don't like losing. This is not going to be a challenge for me. I am going to accomplish this. It's going to look nice. I think I'm going to do like a cut crease type of vibe. I'm going in with this palette. I don't know what palette this is. As usual, I'm just going to apply the lightest shade on my eye first. Going to use this brush as my blending brush today. The brush that I used is actually not clean, so the shade that I used as a transition shade it's now a shimmer. So you know what, this is going to be a glittery eye, I feel like, because can't apply a shimmer in a crease. That's just rules. But you know what? It's a shimmer now. Now I think I'm just going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to cut the crease. She does not have any brushes, so I'm once again going to use this. And I think I'm going to use this eyeshadow. This is Passion Trio eyeshadow, and it's almost done. So I think I'm going to use the golden shade or the red shade. I'm still deciding, I don't know. And I'm just going to apply it with my blending brush. That looks pretty good. Going to apply some eyeshadow like under my waterline. So now I just have to find a brush. Sinnet was your borstels, mama. Guys, I found eyeliner and a smudger. I'm so glad. I think I'm just going to line my eyes. Eyes almost done. All that's missing is mascara, and at least she has mascara also from Isabella Garcia. So just applying that. Okay guys, my eyes are done. Now she does obviously she don't have any highlights. Just trying to see if she has something that I can use. Okay, I found a highlighter. This can have a name. Just want to ooh, this is a little bit too dark for me, but I'm just going to use this brush. Okay, it works as a highlighter. We can use that. Oh, it's a little bit dark. Lips. Lipstick. What are we going to use today? Let's put on these. Now I think I'm just going to put this on top. Okay guys, it's done. It doesn't look bad. I have lip gloss on my lips and I hate lip gloss, but it's not that bad. It looks really nice. I think I accomplished a full face of makeup with my mom's makeup bag. She really has some interesting stuff in her bag. If you like this video, remember to go and subscribe to my channel. Go and like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, add me as a friend on Snapchat, add me on Facebook. Go and follow me on Twitter as well, please. Go and check out my Tea Time Tuesday video that I post about my experience moving to Cape Town and all that jazz. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. And I love you guys so much. Remember, Sheryl community, be a part of the Sheryl community. And the only way you can do that is to subscribe. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you again back in my next video. Bye.